It's unboxing time, guys. What I've got here is the Moza Mini-Mi Gimbal. Now this is an interesting gimbal. It offers wireless charging, but for me, the main reason I bought this one over the others was the fact that it had multiple thread adapters. So it's got all these tripod thread adapters, which is something I'm really keen about because it allows me to connect an external microphone. Doesn't have the best battery life in comparison to other gimbals out there, but I thought that, you know, the tripod threads really did seal the deal for me. Now, I ordered mine from eGlobal. I paid £72. It's actually went down in price. And I only ordered 5 days ago and it arrived today. So, yeah, pretty pleased about that. So, what I'm going to do in this video is an unboxing. I'm not going to do a review in this video because I want to spend some time playing around with it so that I can explain it all to you guys and show you what it's all about. Okay guys, this is it. The Moza Mini-Mi wireless phone charging gimbal, wireless charging, intelligent control, inception mode, built-in camera app, track shooting, live streaming mode. So let's jump over to my overhead camera and we'll have a closer look at this gimbal. So here is the Moza Mini-Mi. You can see the gimbal here, and if I'm able to turn it around here, it says it comes with the Mini-Mi gimbal, a portable bag, a USB cable and a user manual. So let's get this open. So here is the box, which I don't know, it looks kind of not damaged but just lots of marks over it. I don't know what's going on there. Right, so if I can get this here on camera, this is the box with the gimbal. So outside the box there isn't too much. We've got a quick start guide showing you how to work it. That's all in Chinese, so I'm not looking at that side. But they do have an English version, and yeah, that looks okay. It looks, you know, a pretty good starting point to help me get going. So that's good. We've got stickers. I don't know why companies always give you stickers, but they are there. This quality insurance pass, what's that, 17th of June. Facebook and WeChat. Okay, let's get the box. So the box itself, this is really good. Actually, it's quite sturdy, but you know, it's quite soft as well. It's not like it's brick hard. This is quite good because I will be using this. I'm taking this to Vegas when I go to a conference in a few weeks, so I will be utilising the box without a doubt. And here we go. This is the gimbal. So I assume that's a charging cable. I'll get the boring stuff out the way first. Oh no, this is the mini tripod. I remember reading about this. So they throw in this tiny little tripod, which yeah, it's okay. You can attach that to the bottom. I'll probably replace that. I'm going to be looking at some other tripods. There's a power bank tripod that Moza sell that actually give you more power, so I might look into buying that. But that is the mini tripod that they attach. You can see all this foam. This is the kind of stuff you normally see with microphones, this kind of foam padding, so it's pretty cool. You've got a USB charging cable in there, which is micro B. So that's to actually charge the gimbal. It would have been good if it was type C, but there you go, a little micro B charging cable. I'm sure you've got 1,000 of them in the house. Okay, the gimbal itself. There it is there. So it's hard to get it all in the one shot. But yeah, you know, one of the benefits of this one is it does spin 360 degrees, which the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 doesn't. That kind of stops like that and you have to spin it back. So I've been messing around with the gimbal for about 15 minutes or so, and I just want to give you a closer look at all the different parts of the gimbal. First one I guess is the grip. That's the first thing to really talk about. The grip feels really good in the hand. I think it feels great. Obviously I do need to spend some time going out with it, and perhaps my opinion will change over time after using it, but you know, first impressions are that, you know, the kind of slope in the back here works really well with the hand. Now there isn't a trigger on the back. That's something you do get with some gimbals, and you can control the gimbal with the trigger on the back. But here you've got a little joystick here, and this is what's used to, you know, move this gimbal up and down with your phone and twist it around. There's a jog dial here as well. There's a photo button for taking videos and photos. According to this manual here, there's a lot of different options here. You can see here, if you push the left button twice, if you push the right button twice, it rolls, or it locks the pitch and things like that. So there's a few things like that I need to learn once I've got it calibrated, once I've got it connected to the app. Battery indicator, pitch and yaw, and then you've got the tripod thread there at the back. I'm not sure if this is going to be the best option for connecting a microphone. I'm not sure. So you can use adapters like that to connect to the back. You can see that one's got like a hot shoe, and then I can connect an external microphone. But that's something I'll look into once I've actually got it working. You've got a tripod thread at the back there as well, down at the bottom. Of course, you can use that with a tripod. This is the one that's provided. This is, it's a cheap little tripod. It's free. They throw it in. It's nothing to shout home about. But if you use something like this, it's going to extend the gimbal and give you something else to hold on to. And obviously, because it's a tripod, you can set it up like that. So you'll find a tripod thread on most gimbals. The difference is that most other gimbals only have a tripod thread at the bottom, whereas this one has got one here, one at the back, and then one at the top and bottom of the actual smartphone grip, and that's the grip there. Now there's a Type A charging port as well, and it's kind of similar to this one, the Micro B one for charging. Both of these have these kind of waterproof kind of little holders, which I think these at one point will just fall off. They'll just come off. These things always do. They're never that, long term, these things always break, in my opinion. But this is for charging your phone. You put in your smartphone charging cable, USB Type A to Micro B, Type C or Lightning, whatever, and you can charge your phone. Now, of course, one of the selling points of this gimbal is that it has wireless charging, and I believe it is, you double click this, the power button, and it will wirelessly charge your phone and just draw power from the gimbal the same way that the USB Type C or the USB Type A charging port would. So you can charge your phone using the USB Type A charging port or wireless charging if your phone supports it. Now, looking at the back here, you can see there's you've got the Moza Mini-Mi branding, and then there's two kind of dials to calibrate and tighten up things. So you put your phone in, you can tighten it up there, and there's another one here. So I've got the Moza Mini-Mi sitting in the provided little tripod there. The basic little tripod that's provided, it's okay. It's certainly not the best one out there, but it does give you, kind of a longer reach, and it does give you an easy way to set it down when you're not using it. So that's all good. In addition to the mini tripod, you get all the stickers and things like that which are in the box. You get the user manual. You get this Micro B charging cable. It's quite small, but that's by design, I guess. And you get the gimbal, and of course you get this case. And I'll be using this case a lot because I'm going to conferences and I'll be packing in this, and I think it's quite good because this kind of foam padding is normally what you get with microphones, etc. So I will be using that. Now, when I first turned on the Moza Mini-Mi, it was spinning around crazy, and the reason is it wasn't calibrated. So I quickly, I don't know if you can see it there, I quickly connected the phone to the app. Now it says unconnected there, so I've got the Moza Genie app, and if I turn it on now, see how it just goes into place now. Now I calibrated it there, but I did it very, very quickly, and I need to spend a little bit more time with it. If I click on it again, it should find it, and you can see it's saying connected now, and now I can control it. So I can turn it up and down, spin it around and all that. As I said, I do need to refer to the manual. I need to learn all the different things and tricks and all that you can do with it. But you can see there that, this is what, how it's supposed to work and all that. So I need to get used to how you use this properly and all that. It seems to work okay. You've got lots of commands that you can use here, all these different commands, etc. I like that one. Is it that one? Double down. And there's an option where basically, this is one of my favorite features of this, is I saw someone talking about this, where you click it, and if you're streaming with the front camera, so if I'm doing a live stream, you click it and it reverses round and it shows people the other side, which, you know, is one of the main annoyances with doing a live stream, because you have to kind of turn around and show people it. But hopefully I'll be able to turn it around and just show people instantly. So yeah, it looks quite good. As I said there about calibration and all that, where there's an option here. There was an option to, there it's there. So you can see there it's connected here. And I know this isn't the best way to show you guys, but there's an option there. There's a settings area there. You go back, there's recenter, there's a sleep mode, and there's a calibration mode. And there's a guided calibration and a manual calibration. Now I went for the guided one, and it comes up like this, where you have to kind of balance it. So you need to try and balance it and get it green, which I'm trying to do with the camera the other way, like that. And then you go through the menu system. Now I won't do that, I've already did that, so I won't do that just now, but that's essentially what you need to do. So when you turn it on, and it's going crazy, that's what you need to do. You need to download the app, you need to calibrate it so that when it's turned on, it goes to that correct position. So see there, that's it in sleep mode, and I can do what I want with the phone. You have to make sure you put it in sleep mode. When it's in sleep mode, I can hold it like that. Now, when it's not in sleep mode, I'll push it again, wakes up, goes back to position. Now, it's not in sleep mode now, it's activated. And if I had to grab this, that's because it's activated. So make sure when you're using it, before you take your phone out, before you do anything, just put it into sleep, and then it'll do that. And then when you're ready to go, push the power button once again, and it goes into the mode, and then you can do it. I am far from an expert on this. I need to figure out all the different options. They're all in this little smart guide, as far as you double press and it does one thing, you double press and it does another. But that is something that I will do in another video. I'm going to go out one day, I'm going to show you what my phone is like on its own and show you the problem that this addresses. And then I'm going to show you the footage that I get with the gimbal. I'll show you all the different modes, all the different things you can do with it. And then I'll give you my thoughts on it. So please stay tuned for that, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and first look at the Moza Mini-Mi. Mini-Mi, I keep meaning to do that. I hope you've enjoyed this first look, guys. I think this looks like a very good gimbal. I need to learn more about it. It is my first gimbal, guys, so you know, I can't draw comparisons to other gimbals at this point, other than looking at what others have said. But I'm pretty pleased with this, and you know, once I've got it all set up and I've got it recording correctly and I've done some tests, I'll then look into the best way to connect my external microphone. But until then, guys, thanks for watching. Please do leave a comment if you've got any questions about this, and please do stay tuned, because I will look into this in more detail. Turn on, there you go, look at that. And I'll explain exactly what this can do, what I like about it and what I don't like about it. Until then, guys, thanks for watching and take care. Cheers.